folks, welcome back to the channel. This is Girl Gone Vagabond and thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry it's been a while since I've posted anything. I've got lots to tell you. I decided to pop out for a couple of nights and to a campground nearby and do some editing and some writing while the weather's nice. I have both amazing news for you and kind of bad news too. Here goes. What do you want first? Good news, bad news? Alright. Well, the good news is my debut science fiction novel is launching this month, and we're having a big party at Owl's Nest Books on September 26th. Everyone's invited, of course. My kid and I are going to sing, so that should be rather entertaining. So my novel is called Jump Ship Hope, and it's being published by Taiki Books. It's available now on Amazon, both of course as an ebook and a paper book. And like I said, we're going to be throwing a party on September 26th at Owl's Nest Books in Calgary. A little bit of singing, a little bit of reading, and some nice food and drink and time to share with friends. Okay, on to the bad news. While we were leaving the Old Man River, as you saw in the last video, we had a little bit of a mishap. It was definitely a newbie mistake, and it definitely was upsetting. Well, let me show you what happened. Right now I have everything wrapped up, but you can see how this has been pulled outwards and is now pretty much useless. And this poor cupboard here, the frame here has been bent and will need repaired, and the entire jack is going to need remounted. I was driving through a gully. Wayne was out front watching for trees and low-hanging branches. The kid was watching on this side and mentioned that there was a route as I went through the gully, but then said, no, I think you're okay, you're gonna clear it. Of course, we were forgetting, all three of us, we were forgetting about the feet. The feet of the camper. Oh wow, hi. What do we got going on here? Oh. Doing the loop. Anyway, so as you can see, I only have 3 legs right now that are working. We've already got a jack and a stump so that we can take it off to get it repaired. I've had some very high quotes for having it repaired. So we're trying to decide if we're going to do it yourself repair and not fuss too much, just make it safe and watertight. I mean, it is an older camper and we didn't put that much money into it to begin with, so the idea of putting you know, a few thousand more into it just to repair this is kind of heartbreaking. So anyway, so that's the bad news, is that the camper is broken and needs a little bit of help. Like I say, the good news is dream come true. I own a camper. Dream come true. My debut novel is launching. Dream come true. My kind of work, editing and writing and carving, can all happen out here while the weather's nice. So really, it's only money, right? Of course, now that I'm not filming, it's beautifully peaceful and quiet here, like it usually is. I don't know what was going on with that plane. Also, the other thing I would like to work on while I'm out here is that rec site review that I kept promising you while I was circling BC in July. I have done a little bit of work on it and hope to finish it while I'm out here, and then I can put that up as well. Good morning from Patty's Flat. I've never stayed down in the E-loop before. I thought I'd be closer to the water, and I thought I'd be further from the highway. But this place is still a really cool campground, and so very close to the south end of Calgary. Now the squirrels are all yelling at me. This is Girl Gone Vagabond. Thanks for watching.